The wait is over. After years of secrecy, speculation, and countless leaked images that stirred heated debates, the U.S. has finally pulled back the curtain on its most advanced fighter jet ever, the F-47 6th-generation StrikeFighter. This isn't just another upgrade or a slightly faster version of what came before. This is a leap forward so massive that it leaves every other combat aircraft in the world playing catch-up. The kind of leap that rewrites the rules of air combat entirely. Why was the F-47 kept under wraps for so long? And why choose this moment to reveal it? The answers lie not just in its capabilities, but in the global shift in military power. This jet is more than a weapon, it's a signal. A statement that the U.S. intends to dominate the skies of the 21st century with technology so advanced, it feels almost alien. Design and stealth. At first glance, the F-47 looks like it's from another era, or perhaps another planet. The airframe is a perfect fusion of aerodynamic efficiency and radar invisibility. Built from next-gen metamaterials, its skin actively manipulates, reducing radar cross-section to near-zero levels. This isn't just stealth, it's adaptive stealth, capable of changing its radar signature mid-mission to blend with environmental clutter. The blended wing-body design maximizes lift while minimizing drag, allowing the F-47 to sustain supersonic cruise without afterburners, a capability known as supercruise. Its edges are razor smooth, with no exposed weapons pylons or traditional air intakes. Instead, it uses a breathing skin system that channels air internally, further reducing detection. Beyond radar evasion, the F-47 incorporates infrared suppression tech that masks heat signatures from missile seekers. Combined with its low acoustic profile, this jet can operate closer to enemy airspace than any U.S. aircraft before it. Even if spotted, tracking it is another story entirely. By the time it's detected, it's already gone. Powerplant and speed under the hood, the F-47 is powered by a classified adaptive cycle engine, rumored to be derived from the XA-100 and XA-101 programs. This powerplant can shift between high-thrust and fuel-efficient modes automatically, adapting to mission needs in real time. The result? The ability to reach sustained speeds above Mach 2.5 without stressing the engine, and sprint bursts rumored to touch Mach 3+. But raw speed isn't the only headline here. The adaptive engine is paired with a revolutionary thermal management system, allowing the F-47 to operate its advanced electronics, directed energy weapons, and high-power sensors without overheating. This has been one of the biggest challenges for 6th-generation designs, and the F-47 appears to have solved it. These propulsion advancements also give the F-47 unmatched operational range. Without the need for constant aerial refueling, it can penetrate deep into contested zones and return without compromising stealth or performance. In a world where speed and endurance often don't mix, the F-47 delivers both. AI-driven cockpit. The pilot's seat in the F-47 is less of a cockpit and more of a command center. A fully panoramic augmented reality HUD covers the canopy, feeding live data from satellites, drones, and AWACS into a seamless, real-time battlefield picture. Instead of juggling switches and dials, the pilot interfaces with the jet through voice commands, gesture recognition, and even neural link systems for instant response. At the heart of this system is Sentinel-X, the F-47's onboard AI co-pilot. Far beyond a simple autopilot, Sentinel-X can manage flight operations, plot attack routes, predict enemy maneuvers, and even take full control in high-stress combat scenarios. This doesn't just lighten the pilot's workload, it enables decision-making at hypersonic speeds where human reflexes simply can't keep up. The AI also learns from every mission, building a personalized combat profile for each pilot. Over time, it becomes not just a tool, but a partner anticipating needs, warning of unseen threats, and executing precision maneuvers that push the limits of what's aerodynamically possible. Weapons and strike capability. Hidden beneath its smooth skin, the F-47 carries an arsenal unlike anything seen before. Internal weapons bays house a mix of hypersonic missiles, precision-guided munitions, and advanced air-to-air systems. One confirmed addition is the AGM-183A ARRW hypersonic missile, capable of striking targets over 1,000 miles away at speeds exceeding Mach 5. But that's just the beginning. Sources suggest the F-47 is also equipped with a directed energy laser system for intercepting incoming missiles and disabling enemy electronics. There's also talk of a kinetic energy weapon, essentially a hypersonic railgun for surgical strikes without explosive payloads. These offensive capabilities are backed by AI-assisted targeting, ensuring every strike is calculated to perfection. Whether engaging enemy fighters, taking out ground-based air defenses, or striking naval vessels, the F-47 can do it all, often before the enemy even realizes it's there. Drone swarm integration. The F-47 is not a lone wolf. It's the alpha in a pack of autonomous predators. Each jet can command a fleet of loyal wingman drones, which handle everything from reconnaissance and electronic warfare to direct attack missions. Controlled via secure data links and AI delegation, these drones extend the F-47's reach far beyond its own airframe. Some drones act as decoys, mimicking the radar signature of the F-47 to confuse enemy targeting. Others are armed with missiles, turning them into expendable strike assets. Still others serve as electronic warfare platforms, jamming radars and disrupting communications to blind enemy defenses. This swarm capability transforms the F-47 into a flying command hub. It can orchestrate a coordinated attack across air, land, and sea while staying far from direct danger. In future conflicts, this networked approach could overwhelm even the most advanced integrated air defense systems. Defensive systems. In addition to its stealth, the F-47 is equipped with a multi-layered defensive suite designed to make it nearly untouchable. Advanced electronic countermeasures can spoof radar locks and even feed false data to enemy sensors. For close calls, the jet's onboard laser system can physically destroy incoming threats, including both air-to-air and surface-to-air missiles. This active protection layer gives the F-47 an edge in situations where evasion alone isn't enough. Finally, its AI continuously analyzes the battle space, predicting potential threats before they materialize. This proactive defense means the F-47 can avoid getting into trouble in the first place, something no purely human-piloted aircraft could hope to match. Global impact and strategic significance. The unveiling of the F-47 is more than just a technological milestone, it's a geopolitical statement. Rival nations like China and Russia have been racing to develop their own sixth-generation platforms, but so far none have showcased anything with the combination of stealth, speed, AI integration, and swarm control the F-47 possesses. This jet effectively redefines what it means to have air superiority. It's not just about dogfighting anymore. It's about information dominance, coordinated multi-domain strikes, and complete battlespace awareness. The F-47 brings all of these elements together in a single platform. Allies will see it as reassurance that U.S. air dominance remains secure. Adversaries will see it as a wake-up call, forcing them to rethink strategies and accelerate their own programs. Either way, the F-47 has changed the game before it's even flown its first public combat mission. The F-47's sixth-generation StrikeFighter isn't just the future of air combat, it's the blueprint for it. From its adaptive stealth skin to its AI brain, from hypersonic weapons to autonomous drone control, every feature serves one purpose: to ensure the United States stays ahead of every threat, no matter how advanced. It's rare for a single aircraft to shift the balance of power, but the F-47 may be one of those rare exceptions. The combination of unmatched speed, intelligence, and versatility makes it not just a weapon, but a strategic tool that could shape the conflicts of the next half-century. Now that the curtain has been pulled back, one question remains. If this is what the U.S. is willing to reveal, what else is still hidden in the shadows? And like, share, and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve on the world's most powerful aviation breakthroughs.